Welcome students in my new tutorial, and today again I'll be teaching you to make a pattern of stars in square shape. So directly I'll take you towards the coding, clicking on file, new file, and this time also I'll be using for loop. In this way you learn the for loop and you will master it by using the programs again and again by using this loop. So firstly, as always, I use the print command. Program to print pattern of stars in square shape. And here I'll be using the for loop, and for counting I'm taking count as variable. For count in range function I am using, and I want to take my pattern of stars till 10, so that for that I have to take from 1 to n minus 1, that means 11 times, so that 10 times it moves. Now in this program I'll be using nested for, that means 2 times for loop inside another for loop. Here again I'll be starting for loop. Again I'll be using one variable for count 1. This time I'm taking variable name as count1. Count1 in range 1, 11. This also it will move 10 times, again colon, double colon, that means. Now here I want to print the star. Now with it I want to tell you one of the function of print, that is AND. Now what is does, with this firstly I'll write inverted commas. Firstly I'll run the program, then I'll explain the working of this AND. And then firstly I want to end it here only. Firstly I want to show how this program will run. So firstly clicking on file and save, and then I'll go to desktop, students, pattern of stars in square shape. Now this program is not actually proper, but for explanation purpose, firstly I want to run this program. I want to show what the result will come. F5. You could see it's coming like this, filling up the whole screen. But I don't want in this way. Again I'll go back to the coding window. Now if I don't use this AND function, here also I'll show what the result will be. Firstly it's coming like this. See, stars are coming like this, but I don't want the stars in this way. I want a square shape. Again going back to the coding window. Now here I want to use this function AND is equal to inverted commas and space and inverted commas. Now what this function is doing, when I run the program, now the star will not be printed downwards, it will be printed one after the another. That means horizontally it will fill. Now I'll run the program, as earlier also I showed you. When I'll press F5, you could see it's printing like this. But again, what I was wanting, that result I am not getting. So again I'll go here. Now I'll come back from this loop to the main for loop. For that I have to use backspace key for coming here. Now I am here under this loop, and here I want to use simply print bracket, simple brackets. That means what it will do, it will take my control to the next line. Now if I'll use F5 key after saving the program, F5, you could see now I am getting this result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the pattern of star is giving me the result of a square, and that only I was wanting. I hope the program is very much clear to you how it's working. Now this is the separate for loop. When the program runs in this loop, firstly the program runs in this loop, as the program starts from here and then it goes under the nested for loop, that means a loop inside a loop. Firstly this loop will work. 10 times it will print the star. Firstly it will print the star like this, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. Then after printing 10, because this is the space, it is giving this end function is giving the space, and that's why I am getting the space like this in horizontal manner. After moving 10 times, it will go back to the main for loop. Now this for loop it will go. And here this print, what it will do, it will take the program control to the next line. That means from here again it will start, and after this again it will go to the this for loop, and again it will start printing in this way. So I hope the whole concept is very much clear to you, that how the function will work. And if you like my explanation, then please do like, share and comment, and also subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it earlier. Okay, take care, bye bye. Meet you soon in my next tutorial.